What is going on, guys? It is Dylan here. Today I will be making a technical analysis on the ticker symbol UAMY, United States Autonomy Corporation. Before we get into it, I just want to let you guys know that I am not a financial advisor. Anything I say or do in this video is strictly for entertainment and educational purposes only. I am bullish on UAMY because I am very bullish on EV as a whole, and these guys do produce the stuff that is needed to produce EVs. Now that is out of the way, let's get right into the techniques. So you can see a nice support at 75 cents. This was a nice support in the past slash resistance, along with the 90 cents and $1. I do think that this $1 could hold very well, as it has been seeming to be over here. I do notice that with penny stocks, the dollar level is very psychological. Normally acts as a very firm support slash resistance. So keep an eye on that, along with the $1.24, $1.41, and $1.67 resistance. So for the indicators, we are at 40 on the RSI, which is undersold. So you like to see your stocks generally in a 50 to 70 range. So it is undersold. For the volume, it has been dying down a little bit, but we are in a market correction. Like I say in every other video, I do expect it. We are in a death cross on the MACD. We kind of have been for a couple weeks now, but we have over the last day or so, we really are contesting that. We did get the yellow over the blue, but we really are hugging the blue. We want the orange to be over the blue, which does signify a potential run. It is bullish to see the MACD orange over the blue, so keep an eye on that. And the EMAs, so you can see that we are using the 200-day EMA currently as support. This is going to be very crucial over the next few days to see if we can hold over this or we can go under it, because we are being contested by the 9-day EMA. So right now it really is a battle over the short-term resistance over the long-term support. So the red line right here is the short-term resistance, which we want to make support, and this is the support, which seeming to be holding up well. Definitely keep an eye on that 100,000%. So now let's go to the daily to see a bigger point of view. You do see that we had a doji candle right here 3 days ago, along with a hammer candle, which does signify high buying pressure. Which we did see sell off accordingly after. You know, this candle wick right here, it doesn't say too much besides the sellers. The bears did win the day, they did win the battle, but I do think this has a part to do with the market sell-off. Definitely keep an eye on these supports and resistances. The RSI is in a death cross on the daily. It is pretty widened out, so keep an eye on that. We want to see this slowly kind of see the yellow try to get back up over the blue. The RSI is at 45, which is very undersold. The last time we were even at 45 on the RSI with this stock was around 20 cents or so. So that is pretty interesting. Definitely keep an eye on that. If we go back to the 4-hour just to get a view of the price action, you do see that we have been consolidating down on this dollar level support. Currently, the last 4 candles, we had a hammer candle, which is good, along with a wide wire, then a doji, which is an indecision candle, and then we had a little bit of a sell-off and a hammer candle with high price rejection. So the last 3 candles definitely do lean over to the bear side, but really anything can happen. That's why it is very important to keep an eye on the indicators, the supports, the resistances, as it is a very crazy volatile time in the market. But you do see a little bit of a pattern, or I should say, I do see a little bit of a pattern going on right now. I'm going to mark it out for you guys. Sorry, I don't know why this is being so annoying. Sheesh, this thing's being annoying. I'm just going to drop another line, screw it. But you do see a little bit of an ascending triangle here. descending triangle, sorry, which could be bearish, could be bullish. If we do break this downwards resistance, it could be a nice little rip, but if we do break this downward support right here, it could be a bad side to the downside. So definitely keep an eye on that. With all that being said, I don't want to keep you guys here any longer than I have to. Keep an eye on the supports, the resistances, the indicators and such. Take it easy, guys. Like, subscribe, all that, and I am out.